there's a bird called a hawk. And he dives right down and picks up the chicken and go with the chicken. But the mother hen is always like this, hovering and hovering over her little kids. And to protect them. So, you know, as Jamaicans, we make things up, everything. So this is the game. Ping Yang, everybody said the ark is coming down, so they gotta run behind the mommy gotta cover them up and so on, so they will do the game. Here.
Pinya!
The hawk is coming down!
Pinya!
The hawk is coming down!
You see the blue eye one there? You see the red eye one there? Becky's right there! And I must get that shit. And I must get that shit. You can't get that shit. You can't get that What is the game? Just like
No, not
Pinya.
the hawk is coming down.
Pinya.
The hawk is coming down.
Blue eye one day.
Make him time there.
Red eye one day.
Make him time there.
And must get a check.
I need can't get a chick. I need can't get a chick. I need And now, a poem by Tiffany Jackson. Fimi family, I know pian. Me daughter so they teach. And when rain fall or pass on sick, me son Uriah preach. Woo! Sunday gone, rain comes so till Carson couldn't left him yard. People was in a church, and so Uriah get wet broad. Him climb up on the pulpit. Him lean over. Him look down. Him look at all with enemy and lash them with him tongue. Him take on Teacher Brown for when he was the size of that. Teacher beat him one day because him called Teacher top notch. Soraya get him revenge now for him stare straight from Brown and said, let